Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the TradingView desktop app on Windows, then sign into your TradingView account. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for TradingView desktop. Open the official TradingView desktop download page. You will find the link in the video description. On the download page, click Download for Windows. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder and double click the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Click Install to begin the installation. The installer will automatically download and install the latest version of the TradingView desktop app. Once the installation is complete, the app will launch automatically. If it doesn't, open it from the Start menu. When the app opens, click Sign in the top right corner. If you already have a TradingView account, click Sign in with browser. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign up and create one first. Your browser will open and ask you to sign into your TradingView account if you are not already signed in. After signing in, you will be asked to grant access to the TradingView desktop app. Click Grant Access. When your browser asks if you want to open TradingView, click Open TradingView. The desktop app will open automatically and sign you into your account. Once you are signed in, you will be able to access your charts, watchlist, layouts, indicators, and all of your TradingView settings. You can change the theme to dark mode or light mode from here. If you don't see the theme option, click on your profile picture. After that, click App Settings. Here you will find the theme option. If you want to use TradingView as a browser app on your computer, click the three-dot menu. Then scroll down and hover over Cast, Save and Share. Select Install Page as App. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded, installed and signed into the TradingView desktop app on your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.